Figma is expanding its creative software ecosystem to allow product designers to complete entire projects without jumping to third-party apps. Four new products for website building, AI coding, branded marketing, and digital illustration were introduced at Figma's Config event yesterday, aiming to fill in any gaps holding Figma back. For example, while existing products like Figma Design Slides and FigJam could be used to ideate and create prototype, developers would need to use services like WordPress to create live websites or Adobe Illustrator to create customized and scalable brand imagery. Figma's first solution is Figma Sites, a website builder that integrates with Figma designs and allow creators to turn their projects into live functional websites. Figma Sites provides presets for layout, blocks, templates, interactions that aim to make building complex websites less time-consuming. Additional components like custom animations can be added either using existing code or by prompting the site's AI tool to generate new interaction code via text description. A screenshot of Figma site showing a prototype website has been shown. Most of the Figma site tool panels will be familiar to anyone who's used similar platforms like WordPress. Figma Sites is rolling out in beta for users for full seat access to Figma products. Figma says that AI code generation will be available in the coming weeks and that CMS that allows designers to manage site content will be launched later this year. Figma Make is Figma's take on AI coding, just like Google's Gemini Code Assist. The prompt to code Figma Make tool is powered by Anthropic's Claude 3.7 model and can build working prototypes and apps based on descriptions or existing designs, such as creating a functional music player that displays a disc spins when a new track is played. Lastly, the Figma Draw vector design is very similar to a simplified version of Adobe Illustrator that creatives can use to make custom visual without leaving the Figma platform. It includes a variety of brushes, textures, effects, and vector editing tools to create or adjust scalable image and logos for products and design projects.